Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to send out sleek professional emails or manage your marketing outreach all in one place, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to walk you through how to kick off a campaign in Mailchimp step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll feel confident starting your own email campaigns and even exploring the different kinds of content you can create with Mailchimp. No more second guessing or stumbling around the dashboard. Let's jump in and get you set up. First things first, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account. Don't worry if you don't remember every password on the first try. Mailchimp's sign-in is pretty forgiving. Once you're in, look over to the main dashboard. The place you want to be is the Campaigns section, so click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Think of campaigns as the control center for everything you push out from Mailchimp, whether that's emails, social posts, or automations. Now, once you've entered the Campaigns section, you'll see a list of your existing emails. Don't worry if this area looks a little empty if you're just starting out. That just means there's plenty of space for your new campaigns. To the side of the list, you should notice a calendar view. This little feature is super helpful. At a glance, you can see exactly when each email was created or sent out. It's sort of like having a handy diary for your outreach, letting you spot trends in your communication and easily keep track of your activity over time. Take a moment to look over what's there, and once you're ready, let's start a new campaign. To do that, just hit the big Create button. This is where Mailchimp truly opens up its toolbox for you. Right away, you'll see several options: email, SMS, automations, websites, landing pages, creative assistant, sign-up forms, surveys, and even ads or social posts. Each of these is a different tool for reaching your audience, and what's awesome here is you can manage all of them in one place. Let's slow down a bit just to unpack these choices. Want to send a regular newsletter? Go for email. Need to send a quick text update? SMS is waiting for you. Maybe you want something that runs in the background and reaches people automatically. Set up an automation. Or maybe you're ready to build a web presence and you'll find website and landing page right here as well. Even if you're feeling stuck or need fresh visuals, the Creative Assistant is like a digital design buddy that offers templates and graphics to make your campaign pop. Now scroll down a little below Sign Up Forms and you'll see even more options for how people can join your mailing list. You can make an embedded form, which is perfect for adding a subscribe box right on your website, a great way to catch interest from people already browsing your content. Prefer something a little more attention-grabbing? The pop-up form can appear right as visitors land on your page, inviting them to sign up. Or if you're running a special promo and need a dedicated spot to collect signups, choose the sign-up landing page. All of these are designed to make it as easy as possible for people to connect with you, and Mailchimp walks you through setting up each one. And that's really it. You now know how to navigate the Mailchimp campaigns area, understand the different ways you can reach your audience, and start creating those all-important first campaigns. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. And if you have any questions, or maybe you'd like to see a deep dive into a specific campaign type, just drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials sent right to your feed. Thanks for watching and happy campaigning.